Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. Okay, y'all, so this video right here is going to be pretty much a let's make a bracelet. Okay, now I'm coming to you all because I don't know how many of y'all remember AC Moore. Do y'all remember AC Moore? I used to love AC Moore, and you know why? Because AC Moore used to have beads that you would not find at other locations like Michael's, Joann Fabrics, or anything like that. So I got, these are called clay tribal beads. Now, I bought these beads some years ago. And this is pretty much what, I have some black and white ones as well and some green and white ones, but I bought them in a real large kit. And today I'm just gonna come to y'all and just show y'all how to make a stretch bracelet using some shells, okay? A wood bead, a glass bead, and these are some spacer beads. And these beads here are some disc beads. Okay, so we're just going to make a stretch bracelet really quick, and you're going to need your assortment of beads. But I just figured that I would come to you all to show y'all how to make a bracelet using the leftover inventory that I have. You're going to need your wire cutters, and if you're making this for yourself, you don't necessarily have to use glue, but I suggest whenever you make something and you are selling it, please make sure that you put some glue on it so that your knot will not come loose, okay? I'm using the 1 millimeter / 0.39 inch, okay? Stretch Magic, love Stretch Magic. So let's go ahead and get started. So I don't have any glue because I'm pretty much making this for myself, and I won't be, I might put this in the shop. I don't know. I'll have to see. But if I do decide to do it, then I'll add some glue. But right now, I'm not going to add any glue. So what you want to do first is stretch. Make sure that whenever you use any type of stretch cord that you pre-stretch it. And you want to pre-stretch it because have you ever made a bracelet and then you wind up putting your gems on there and you wear it for a while and then it starts stretching, but then you start finding and seeing gaps in between your beads, okay? That's because you have to make sure you pre-stretch this. This isn't stretched. You have to pre-stretch it. So when you pre-stretch it, you can have your bracelet a lot longer, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and just start adding on my beads. So I'm going to be putting my spacer beads pretty much in the middle. On the ends of each bead. I hope everybody is doing well out there. I hope all of y'all are doing well. Let's see here. Yeah, I just decided, I was like, I'm going to go ahead and get on here and do a video really quick to show the queens how I am going to put this together using my clay tribal beads. I really enjoy these beads, y'all. I enjoyed these beads. I made a lot of things using these beads. And like I said, I got them a long time ago. Very long time ago, I should say. And A lot of times when I get beads, I don't always use my inventory, like use everything I have. But sometimes when you don't use it all, you can just add other things to it to give you that look that you want. Add in another shell. And then a spacer bead. Our bracelet is coming along pretty well, y'all. Okay. And then another spacer bead. Let's see. Yep. And then the very last bead that I'm going to add, because I want to check this to see if it's long enough. I actually am going to take this one off. And I'm going to add this on, but I'm going to add it on to this side. So I'm going to add this one on. And then I'm going to add on my gold bead. Actually, hold off on that. I'm going to add this on over on this side. Okay. Add this on. And now I need to measure this, because the thing about this, you want it to fit, but you want to have enough room for it to move around. You really don't want it to be too tight. Okay, you want it to be comfortable. So I'm going to add on one more bead. And there you have it. So now what I'm going to do, move this out the way, is I'm going to bring these two pieces together. And I'm going to tie some knots. And this is pretty much how my bracelet is looking. So let me tie my knots. I try to tie my knots at least 2 to 3 times. I think I do it more than 2 to 3 times. I think I do it sometimes 3 to 4 times. It just depends. Everybody do theirs differently. And then what you want to do is you want to come here. So this is what it looks like. And you just want to snip right there. And you want to add your glue right here. And this bead, and your clay bead, it'll tuck right into the clay bead. Okay? Once you add your glue on, you pull it right through. Okay? So this is the bracelet. I'm going to bring it up a little closer so y'all can actually see what it looks like. Now, when you add spacer beads onto your bracelet, this is the look that it will give your bracelet. I see sometimes some people don't like to use spacer beads, but spacer beads is a good way to enhance the look. So this is what I have. Okay, this would not look as good without the spacer beads. It will look good, but not as good. All right, let's try it on. There you have it. Okay, that's it right there, y'all. Nice and comfortable. And you can wear this anywhere. I have some space in here, so it's really not too tight. You don't always want your stretch cord bracelet to be really, really tight. Okay, you want it to have a little bit of room because you're constantly putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, taking it off. Okay. So, and when you put it on, you always roll it on and roll it off, and you'll have it longer. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. And I also want to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal subscribers. So y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.